Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another luxury fragrance review, again of Patek Maison, but with a different perfume. It's from their Prismé collection and it's the Prisme Rouge, which is a unisex fragrance. Again, it comes in the gorgeous packaging you expect from Patek Maison, the beautiful red and gold. Now the bottle is very different to the Merakái one. It is this beautiful kind of crystal effect bottle that really catches the sunlight. So if you've got somewhere you can display this in the sun where the sun will catch it, it's absolutely stunning. Okay, enough about the perfume bottle because, okay, looking at it's one thing, but we really want it to smell good. One thing about the Patek Maison perfumes I'm noticing is it's a very distinctive smell. You start to know Patek Maison perfumes. They have the same intensity, the same seductiveness, the woody floral undertones, and that real kind of addictive smell that you want to keep smelling. So the difference between the Patek Maison Prisme Rouge and the Merakái Passion for me is this one, they're both floral perfumes, but for me the predominant smell and the predominant flower in the Patek Maison Prisme Rouge is the jasmine. It's giving it a really lovely floral scent. It's giving it a sweetness without being sickly. Then you have some rich wood undertones and the powerful spices, but without it being too woody or too musky. So I think it's a really good, powerful evening perfume. I don't know if I'd necessarily wear this in the daytime or in the summer, but a really beautiful perfume I think could be men, women, unisex. It is sold as a unisex fragrance. Versus Merakái, which is again another floral woody perfume. But for me, it's a lot sweeter. It's a lot more citrusy. It's the rose and the water lily that are the predominant flowers in here. And it's slightly less woody. So I feel like this might be more of a summery daytime perfume. Still very strong, still very intense, woody florals. This is the woody florals, but a lot more rich, a little bit less sweet, and just a really seductive smell. So both of them are beautiful perfumes. It just really depends what you're looking for in your perfume. So this is now going to become my evening scent until it gets a bit warmer and maybe I'll switch to this one. But so far, so good with Patek Maison. If you've tried them or tried any others that I haven't researched yet, let me know in the comments below so I know what to try next. I'm going to link both of these below as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.